Hello, Anandya ji. Good morning. Good evening.
Good morning, good evening. So it's good late evening, Sudhir ji. How are you?
Yeah, I am good, sir.
You're
What
good?
about
Great.
you?
Amazing, amazing, sir. As I
First
am,
of all, happy Shivratri, sir.
happy Shivratri. So do we say happy Shivratri or happy Mahashivratri? How do we
Happy
say that?
Mahashivratri.
Yeah, I really don't know. That's what I thought I asked you. Yeah, I think happy Mahashivratri to you too as well.
Thank you, sir.
And was it a day off for you today, or were you working also?
Not day off. Yes, just I have finished my work
Hmm.
and just joined this call. So as
Okay.
my day was goes as usual routine.
Okay. I mean, you had a routine. I mean, a daily routine. That's what you're trying to say.
Yes, of
Nothing
course.
much. Usual routine, right?
Yes, nothing much usual routine work.
So the has the work. I mean, has the office work started in a full swing already?
No, not full strength, just for 20%, 10 or 20%.
No, I didn't say full strength, Riji. I'm saying that has the office work already started in full swing? That's what I meant.
In full strength.
In full swing. In full swing means the highest level of activity. So my question is to you, has the office work started in a full swing?
Yes, of
And
course.
yeah. So in a full swing is an idiom that we used in a conference. I'll give you an example. Suppose you have a wedding in your family, okay? And that is just likely to happen, which is just likely to happen in maybe in a month or so. So you can say the wedding preparations are going on in full swing. Means
Okay.
whenever there is a highest level of activity, we can use this idiom in our conversation.
Okay. Full swing.
Right, sir. Okay, wonderful. So your office, you said yes, it is in full swing. Okay. I think, do you have any questions for me, sir, before we proceed?
No, sir. I do not have any question. But in
Okay.
this session, if I have, so definitely I will ask you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You can always ask. And I think today's topic is about festivals.
Yes, of course.
And as usual, I would ask you the same question. Would you like to talk about it, or do you like to talk about something else?
As you know very well.
So you want a general conversation, is it?
Yes, of course.
Right. Okay, sir. Tell me that what is one thing that Ahmedabad is very proud of? I mean, the entire city is very proud of.
Entire city is very proud for.
Proud about Ahmedabad. I mean, all the people, you are one of them. I mean, what are they proud of their city for? What are you proud of your city for? Is there anything, something that you can be proud of about your city?
Yes, of course, because it is my birthplace and my karma bhumi also. So definitely I proud it. But if you can ask me to something like narrating something, so I will say all the infrastructure, very good
Infrastructure.
infrastructure,
Okay, okay.
good infrastructure, and first of all, regarding of our safety,
Sir, sorry, what was the last one? You said
safety,
safety.
safety. Yes,
Safety of people.
Yes, of course, because I think if the Ahmedabad is, if I'm going to compare with another city, so the crime ratio will be down. Crime ratio is down.
You can say, sir, the crime ratio is much lower as compared to
It's much
other
lower.
cities.
It's much lower as compared to other cities.
Absolutely, absolutely, sir. Okay.
And this is the very uh, this is the very oldest city and heritage city also.
Sir,
Yes,
small correction.
yes, it's sure.
When you are using the superlative, old, older, and you are using oldest here, right?
Thank you.
Which means you are using the comparative degree, which is the superlative. So when you are using a superlative, you don't have to use the word very before that.
Okay,
You can say it is one of the oldest cities. You don't have to say it is one of the very oldest cities.
okay.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry to cut you in. Because if I don't correct you now, then I'll forget. That's the
No,
reason.
no, no, definitely. Thank you, thank you. So you have given me just a uh, feedback.
You need not thank me. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
And one of the good thing is riverfront in Ahmedabad near the Sabarmati River.
Sabarmati. Okay, yeah.
And I can say the vibrant Gujarat also, the kite festival also,
That is
flowers also, and
flowers.
flowers so one
So do you have
flowers
a festival for flowers also?
flowers so just not a festival, but it is just they are just creating some good flower and just people come and enjoying and take some photographs and pictures
Okay, okay, okay.
in riverfront area.
So, no, I just got confused that if there is a specific flower festival in Gujarat, that's what I thought initially.
No, no,
Anyway,
no, no.
okay. That tells me to ask you a question. Are you fond of flowers, Sudhiji? Because I'm very
Sorry.
fond of flowers. Are you fond of flowers?
I didn't get. Can you just elaborate for me? Founded means?
Are you fond of? I'm saying, fond of means do you like flowers? This word.
Ye- Yes, of course. Everyone. I think so. Everyone is liking the flower,
Okay. Everyone likes flower.
likes
Okay.
flower because they are very soft and kindness, and the
And
smell
Sudhiji,
they have.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry. I said I use the word fond. I'm writing it also.
Okay,
And I have written the meaning also. When to like someone or something very much is to be fond of. Remember.
okay. Just give me a few seconds. I will just tag the screenshot.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now done.
Fond of, sir. So you can say that I'm fond of vegetarian food. I'm fond of non-vegetarian food. I'm fond of um, the culture that prevails in Ahmedabad or whatever. I'm fond of whatever that you like very much.
Okay,
I'm fond of market analysis. You can say that.
yes, of course.
Yes, I know you are very fond of market analysis.
But
Right.
now
So
today market have to break because the holiday. That's why the market will remain open tomorrow.
oh, so does it happens like that? The market doesn't closes. That's what you're saying.
No, today is the market closed because of the festival.
Okay, sir. So today is the market close will be the right sentence, or today the market was closed, it will be the right sentence.
Today was market closed.
Sir, today the market was closed.
Today the market was closed.
Yes. You are using was at the beginning and then you are completing the sentence. Today was the market. So yeah, today the market was closed. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Great. So you have learned so many things today. Just see. Wonderful. Okay. So you have given me already a nice briefing about what you should be proud of Ahmedabad already. And if given a chance, Sudhirji, and if you are offered a very hefty salary, I mean, very fat and a handsome salary in some other organization, but it is outside Ahmedabad,
Okay.
will you accept it? Will you accept the offer? And you have to sign a bond with that company that you have to work at least for 5 years, which means the relocation is for
Yes,
5 years.
not first of all, I will just think what is the offer and what are the uh, work activity or task which will be assigned to me. So then after I will accept the order, accept the letter, and apart from that, you are asking me for location changes. So location doesn't matter because for me only one location. Yes, doesn't matter.
No, I'm saying location doesn't matter, but money matters, right? That's why you said
No,
I'll
no,
weigh the offer first.
because the location, why location is doesn't matter, because I'm just seeing as a country. So within the India, whenever I get the opportunity, I will grab it. But after
I see.
a bit, but outside the India, then after I will think seriously.
Okay.
Before within the India, all are the my homes, all the my places, all yeah.
So all are my
Because
homes, you are saying. So you can say within my country, every city is a home to me. Okay. In my country, every city is a home to me. Yeah. Yes, sir. Because you were saying something.
because I can say for me, the only dream is Akhand Bharat.
Ah, true.
So within the Akhand Bharat, there is no any location issue for me. Maybe
But
sometimes, maybe some.
yes, that's what I was about to say. See, you are used to one kind of a life, isn't it, Sudesh? In a
Sorry.
city, I'm saying you are already used to one kind of life in the city of Ahmedabad.
Yes.
Now, if you are asked to move to maybe a smaller town or a smaller city, which is way far uh, smaller than what Ahmedabad is, do you think you will still reconsider of moving there?
Yes, of
That,
course. Yes, of course.
okay.
Definitely, because because in our every thought process and the step, the God will have with us. So I think so. There was no any harmful decision to
Okay.
taking this, grabbing this opportunity.
Yeah, but you said something that I have to weigh the offer, which means if the offer is at least two times, three times, then only I'll consider, right? That's what you're saying.
No, not a money is very no money is in my when I was young, then the money is very important for me. But
Money
at the
what?
time,
You are saying when I was young, the money is very important. Sudhirji, would you like to correct this sentence? Again, I'm
yes,
repeating. You say
yes, of course, of course. When I was young, uh, then money was important for me. But
yeah.
right now for me it is sufficient. So I think so. No need to running behind the money.
Okay. So you can say that. So I don't feel any need to run after money. I don't feel any need now
Yes,
to
of
run
course.
after money. Right,
because
Sudhir?
if I need money, anything, if I need more money, so I, rather than changing my location, I will just open my laptop or computer on my mobile and just trading anyone of equity stocks. So
Yeah,
it will fulfill my criteria.
right, sir. Right. Sir, I that day, actually the other day when I was actually discussing about Ahmedabad, that was long back actually when you initially started off me with me in the sessions. But then, the session got abruptly, it got over. So that one question which still remains with me, can I ask you that today?
Yes, of course.
Is Ahmedabad a city for everybody, or is it only for, uh, I mean, rich people or well-to-do people? Or do you think,
Only for Hindus, or means you are asking for Ahmedabad is for or only Hindu or Muslim people, or you are
no, 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 I never asked that. I say,
okay,
is Ahmedabad only for
educated
rich,
people?
rich people, well-to-do people, or is it a city for middle class, lower middle class people
No,
also?
no, it is a the I think I never seen any this type of discrimination. For I think so it is a equal weightage for all of the people, if they have the money or they don't have the money, and they don't decide any gender, they and for religion also, in all the criteria we are having all the equal opportunity, which are
Okay,
the is specified in our constitution.
okay. No, but you have to understand something. My question was aimed at that. I think you you perhaps have understood. See, there are cities. Every city has different sector category of people, right? But you have to also realize that city life, it also offers a premium living condition. Means if somebody is earning, say for example, 15 to 20,000 a month, example, will he be able to run his family there? That's what my question is.
Yes, yes, of course, because it is depends to person how they manage their daily expenses.
Right.
Because if you can ask me, if I am not consuming oil based, highly oily food, okay, but if somebody using highly heavy food, maybe they are consuming 15 liters in within a week or within a month. So right now the 15 liters oil price is to 50 100, right?